Good evening, Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala. Today is 2nd January 2024. Tuesday question for prelims 2024. Today we have a set of 10 questions, 5 from general studies and 5 from current affair. The general studies portion of question belongs to chapter 2 Physical and Environment class 2, current affair vision IS April 2023. So let us start with the questions of the day. Question number 1. Karbi Anglong and Meghalaya Plateau are extensions of A. Peninsular Block, B. Himalayas, C. Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra Plain, D. All the above. Question number 2. Peninsula exists since the A. Cambrian period, B. Precambrian period, C. Pleistocene period, D. Holocene period. Question number 3. Which of the rivers flow through Rift Valley? A. Narmada, B. Tapi, C. Mahanadi, D. All the above. Question number 4. Aravali Hills, the Nallamala Hills, the Javadi Hills, the Velikonda Hills, the Palkonda Hills and the Mahendragiri Hills are part of A. The Peninsular Block, B. The Himalayas, C. Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra Plain, D. All the above. Question number 5. Consider the following statements. 1. The river valleys in peninsula are shallow with low gradients. 2. Most of the west flowing rivers form deltas before entering into Arabian Sea. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 1 is correct. C. 2 is correct. D. Neither 1 nor 2 is correct. Question number 6. Consider the following statements regarding Central American Integration System. SICA. 1. Established by signing of Tegucigalpa Protocol in 1991. 2. Its secretariat is located in Honduras. B. 3. 5 India SICA meets have been held. 1. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 1 is correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. D. 2, 3 and 1 are correct. Question number 7. De-dollarization refers to the process wherein countries tend to reduce their reliance on the US dollar as 1. A reserve currency, 2. Medium of exchange, 3. Unit of account. A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. 2 and 3 are correct. C. 3 only is correct. D. 2 is correct. Consider the following statements. 1. India is home to more than 60% of all wild Asian elephants. 2. As per 2017 elephant census, India had roughly 30,000 elephants. 3. Karnataka has the highest number of elephants in India. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 1 and 3 are correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. D. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Question number 9. Which of the following is not the characteristics of Indian elephant? A. Highly intelligent. B. Complex behavior. C. Longest gestation of all mammals. D. Females less social than males. Consider the following statements about in space. 1. Acts as single window agency for the authorization of space activities by government entities and non-government entities. 2. Work with industry to establish India as a preferred service provider at global level. A. 1 is correct. B. 2 is correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. D. Neither 1 nor 2 is correct. So these are the questions. Kindly solve these questions and try to search the correct answers from the resources indicated, and in case you mark any response incorrectly, and this is the best way to improve your performance level till you finally get selected in your examination. So kindly solve these questions. गुड लक। जय पटना साहिब सिंह पाठशाला, जय पटना, जय बिहार, जय इंडिया।